What does awakening the new you actually look like? What I love about this program is one of the things is around language and how language affects our understanding, our perspective, our identity. And so when I chose Awaken the New You, it's a forever process. There's always something inside of you that as you progress, as you move forward in life, as you continuously fine tune and polish, something inside of you is going to awaken because it was sleeping before. It could be an idea, it could be a relationship, it could be something you want to pursue in terms of art or creative expression. That there are parts of us, because we're out of tune with who we are, that stay dormant, stay asleep, stay hidden. And when you apply these elements through these strategies, through this coaching, you start to, it's like a little bit of lightning, zzz, zzz, and you begin to oh, whoa, this is who I am. This is how I want to conduct myself. This is how I want to live. This is how I want to move forward. This is how I want to communicate. This is how I want to connect. And you have always been that person, and now you're just bringing that person to life. You are breathing life into that version of yourself that has been asleep. So that's why I say awaken the new you, because you're not becoming something you're not. You're just awakening the version of yourself that you're out of tune with.